How to create a poll on Messenger. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Messenger application on your device and then open a group conversation now. Note that you can create a poll only in a group conversation and not in the private conversation. Now tap on the text box you see there on the bottom of your screen, and there you will also see the plus symbol. Tap on that and now tap on the align and intent like icon. Here you will now be able to create a poll. Add in your question by tapping on poll questions, and now add options by tapping on add option. Now tap on the create poll option, and with this your poll will be created. You can also send in your vote by tapping on any of the option there and then tapping on the submit button. If you want, you can also change your vote. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.